And I spoke about this already. Mr. Vijayanand in recent meeting in Bangalore was talking about power of 1%. This is very interesting because in poultry we often ignore 1% always because 1% is nothing we feel. But 1% is very important. I talk about feed wastage in manual feeding or feed spill into the platforms which we push into the litter. That should be avoided. There, same 1% of feed or 2% of feed should be collected and it can be fed to cull birds in the farms. We always have some, especially in breeders, we have males, unwanted males or non-layer females. We cannot sell them in 100. When they are in 100, nobody picks them up. So always throughout the year we have some cull birds on farm, it can be fed to those birds. And dead bird disposal, we have been talking about it, and it is not only helps in controlling bird flu kind of problems, it also helps in controlling the flies. I will just conclude about what I spoke. Am I on time? Sorry. So these are the techniques I already spoke about, and this I already spoke about. Even the neighbors creating problem to us, let us not do it. And the most important is unscientific method of fly control. You know that very well. When nothing works, then we need to manage our neighbors by paying some donations, and let us not do it. So let us manage the farm well. Our birds are healthier, we get better produce. And why I say my recommendations are practical? Because fly eggs are removed in AP and Telangana by farmers. Even I am trying in my farm. This can be practiced. Larva and pupa are removed by farmers in Telangana, AP, Tamil Nadu. So let us all do it. Flooring is done by more than 50% of the breeders in Karnataka. In Telangana, we started doing it. Let us all do it. That's going to help us. And let us not go for the last option. The last thing I want to tell you about the scrapers. Only one gentleman in Hyderabad started it. Let us do it in a large scale. Let us invite the foreign companies to come into India and make it more cheaper. The litter removal belts should be more economical, or they should explain us the economic cost benefit out of those equipment so that we start using them. Let us not resort to chemicals always. Chemicals should be used only to control that 15% adult flies. You know very well, adult flies constitute only 15% of the problem. 85% is your eggs, larvae and pupa.